Let's discuss how to play it actually. So this is interpreter of own Lisp language called Lisp, and here is the code of Labyrinth. You see it here. Let's start it. Opens window, and here we can select amount and object types which will present in the map. First we select map dimension, amount of rows, amount of columns, 4. Then we select amount of rivers, length by 4, 2 rivers, length by 4. Holes amount, holes count 2. Mirrors amount, inner walls count, and blah, blah, blah. And we select also start row and column when we will spawn in the start of the game. Let's press new game button. The map is created, and now it's not shown. First of all, for the educational purposes, let's see the map. It shows the game answer river, way appears in the top left corner, and then we fell into the river, and then we moved to the lake, to the end of the river. So now we can make steps up, down, left, and right, and see here the responses of the game, and see our movements on the map. Let's go up. If we move right, we will appear in the corresponding hole 1. Let's see, 1, 2 here. From here, moving by right, we will put into the wall, so we didn't move actually. If we move left from here, from actual our position, we will fall into this below river. Left, and yes, and now we will in lake. Up wall, down wall, left river, and then into the same lake, and right, free empty cell. Yes, so the objects are holes, rivers. They behave like you see just right now. Empty cells, free cells, inner walls, and so-called mirror cell. What is it? Let's go into it. Down, hole 1, left, free space, left, free. Mirror cell, it's special cell. It shows as a map response as free cell, but actually is not free, it's mirror. And it only reverses the directions of steps we move from this cell. If, for example, if we move down from it, it tries to move up and show wall, down, wall. If we move right, wall, it tries to move right, left after reverse our direction. So to move right, we should press left and then move right. And to move down, we should press up, and then it moves down. So that's it. For now, that's all cases possible, object types, and so on and so forth. So now I assume that you recognize and understand clearly which type of objects can be in a map and how they behave. For any map, we can select zero amount of any objects and generate map without mirror, without holes, without inner walls, and so on and so forth. And now let's talk about the missions, the possible missions. First of all, it's so-called children mode, easy mode. Yeah, we can try to reach any point from any start point to the minimal amount in a minimal amount of steps. For example, let's select start point here. Press press check steps. It resets the steps count from current value to 0. Up. And it calculates the actual minimal paths from this start point to any other point. And let us say we want to be here, to the bottom lake, to the lake of river below. Yeah. How we can achieve this point? We can move down, left, 4 steps. We can move right, appears here, up, left. So the same 3 steps. Or we can move left, up, then goes to here, down, and so on and so forth. Let's check it. Down, left. Yep, we're here in the 3 steps. No, map shows us that there are 2 steps is a minimal amount of how we can achieve it. Let's say how it's possible. Again, 2 steps, 1, 2, 3. Oh yeah, in round one. So let's do it again. Press check steps. Right, 1, left, 2. We here in 2 steps. That's the possible mission of the game, to achieve any destination point from any start point. But it's like an easy mission and not a main mission of the game. And now let's talk about how actual to play this game with not easy mission, but with correct one. For these purposes, we select the little map to make video not so long. 3 rows, 3 columns, one river length of 3, one hole, one mirror, and no inner walls. Yeah, 3 by 3, one river of 3, one hole, one mirror, and 0 inner walls. And let's press new game. It generates a map, and now we do not press show hide map button. We will not see the map at all during all the game. It shows us the start point, where appears spawns here in the top left corner. We selected start row, start column, and we fell into the river. Yes, if we'll see in a new game, yeah, we'll fall into the hole number 1. And then we get our paper and pen, for example, and let's start to create the map, the actual map, to recognize the actual map. Only we know that here is hole number 1. Yeah. And now we somewhere into the map, into the core hole number 1. Let's move left. It shows 3. So for example, we'll see hole number 1, and here is the free space. Yep. Or we can have here a mirror cell, because mirror cell also shows as free. So to check it, we will move right. Up, right, free. So now we know that here from the left side of hole number 1, not a free cell, but a mirror cell. Because if there were a free cell and we move back right, we'll fall into the hole number 1. So here it's a mirror, actual. Yep. And from the mirror we moved right, and we are here, free cell. So we know that one row in our map looks like this. Let's see, left border, up, right border, up. It can be made by drawing a pen on the paper. Yeah, right border style. Yes, one of the rows of this map looks like here. Free cell mirror hole number 1. And it can't be the first row, but it can be second row or third row. So now we here move down. Oh, we see a wall. So now we recognize that we are here in the bottom left corner. Yes, let's check it. Let's move left. Also wall. Yep. And somewhere it's a river. So let's put our objects on a map. Here is mirror. Here is hole number 1. And let's go up from here. We're still here. Up. Free cell. Okay. We are lucky. And somewhere there is a mirror from free cell. Yep. Let's move right. River. So here's river. And now we are in the lake, but we don't know, is this lake right here or here, there, and so on. So from the lake, we may check right, free. Oh, right, free. Then we can select lake, and right is free. It can be or here or there. Let's check up. River. River. how it can be into these remaining 4 cells. I assume that it can be this way. So this can be only free cell. This can be start of the river, middle of the river, and the lake, the end of the river. So I guess that my map looks this way. A river flows from the top right corner first to left, then down to the lake. And mirror cell is here. And now we are into the lake, into the end of the river. Let's walk a little bit on the map, like we assume it looks. Right should be free. Right should be wall. Yeah. Down should be hollow one. Yes. Now we are here, top left corner. Left wall. Top wall. Down free. Down free. Right free. But we are on a mirrored cell. Let's check it. Let's move up, and it should show wall. Up wall. Yeah, we are here. Down, we should be into the lake. It shows river. Down, river. Yep, and so on. Up, river. We're trying to move up and then slowly below down. So now we can play the same game, check steps, but without showing a map. We will assume on only our recognized map. We check it a little bit, working on it, and do not found out any mistakes and difference from our imagination. Yep. So now we are into the lake. Let's move right and down. We should be in top left corner. And let's select how to achieve, for example, mirrored cell in a minimal amount of step. I press check step and look into the our map drawing by our pen and our paper. There are at least 2 ways, down, down, right, or right, down. Way right down is much shorter, yeah, and it looks like we should use there are many ways than the 2 I described above. Down, up, left, also 3 steps. Looks like these 2 steps, right and then down, are the minimal path. So we move right. Okay, river, 1 step, we are here, and we move down. Okay, 2 steps, and we're into the mirror. And finally, after we play and check different steps with different start points, different destination points, and so on and so forth, we can show the map and see that we recognize the exact map that was generated. So our guesses was right. And the main mission of the game is to reconstruct the map based only on game answer without any local generated map. So that's it for this game. I didn't use inner walls. That means that we can rely on wall response as external wall. But if we will have inner walls or 2 mirror cells, or maybe 3 holes and 2 rivers and some little bigger map size, it will be a very nice game. It would be not so easy to recreate the map. You can trust me. So that's it, and feel fun. See you.